What it is, Style Crew? It's your girl J Styles, and I'm back with another video. So today, I have like 2 minutes to launch. So right now we are about to go live. I'm so nervous and I look crazy. I'm so nervous. I'm super scared. Like, don't even look at this, but we're about to post the oh my gosh. We are about to say the changes. So I'm gonna save it. Okay. Alright, so my store is up right now 2 minutes before because I just don't want, I want it to all load. I want it to all load and everything. I don't even know I don't even know how to work this. All right, so right now we have 2 visitors. All right, we have 2 visitors on the site. All right, so we have 19 total sessions and we have 4 visitors. Y'all, people are coming. All right, so the video just got posted. We went live at 12. Yeah. Oh my gosh. So we have 4 active carts. We have 1 person checking out. Oh my gosh. 8 people are here right now. 22 sessions. 2 people checking, woo! Y'all. Oh my gosh. So we have 1 order, 5 people. Sheesh. I'm excited. I'm so excited. So, I'm trying to figure out how to enable pickup because I thought I said it, but it's not an option, so I'm going to keep looking. All right, so I'm back recording, still looking crazy, but looking a little bit better. Wearing my lip gloss. This is Star. You can see the little glitter pieces in it. But yeah, y'all, I hit my goal today. I hit my launch day goal. I'm just so happy. I started a business. I literally am I launched a cosmetic brand that's going to be a collection of just different sorts of stuff. And I just can't wait. What they say, just start. Literally, just start. So that's what you have to do. You have to start. And that's what I did. I started. So we're gonna see where it goes. Y'all gonna see me pack up some orders, fill some things. Just, you already know what is going down. Let me go back downstairs and look at my computer because I'm excited. All right, so jumping right into the video, I'm starting off with my Versagel base, just pouring that into my bowl. So I was making a small amount. I didn't put too much in here. But then later I kind of added too much oil, so you'll see it get a little bit thicker as the video goes on. But the oils that I used in this were coconut oil, vitamin E oil, and sweet almond oil. Poured them into the bowl until I got the consistency that I wanted, and I just kept mixing and mixing and mixing. So you're gonna see me do all of that and then fill up the syringe. So if you like what you see, keep on watching. And I want to give a shout out to our new group of people, the Lonnie Babes. My new brand, Jelani, is coming out to my YouTube, and I wanted to introduce you guys to a new branch. So I'm going to be greeting the Style Crew and the Lonnie Babes. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I hope you guys enjoy all the videos that I have to offer. So I got this glitter from Amazon. I used a spoon to put it in because if you pour from the bag, you could pour too much. And I wanted a subtle glitter effect. So that's why I used a spoon. Again, I'm mixing and mixing to see if it's the consistency that I want. What I wanted to do next was fill up the tube with some glitter. So this is a chunky glitter kind of lip gloss look. So I used 3 chunky glitters. I showed it in my haul. I used the purple, the blue, and the silver. I filled it up to the bottom. Then I'm going to shake the glitter in there to try to move it around. Fill up the syringe. I fill it up from the bottom. I don't put it in through the top. For me personally, it's cleaner this way because I can just clean off the bottom and I can push out the air bubbles as I'm filling it up. So that's just the way I've been doing it. That's the way I like to do it. And then, of course, our pipette to get it all the way to the bottom, make it easier for fill. Now I'm going to grab my tube and begin to fill. So as I am doing this filling process, I like to swirl around the pipette in the bottom to move around the glitter so that it doesn't stay clumped up in one place. As I'm moving, I'm swirling around and moving the glitters inside the bottle around as well so that we don't get glitter just stuck in one place. But yes, this is what I'm gonna do for the rest of the video. Then I'm gonna add the stopper and I'm also gonna put in the applicator. Now I'm gonna add the stopper and there you have it. That is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel for more videos and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.